Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we have a Tiki classic, the Hurricane. It's a 3-ingredient cocktail involving black rum, passionfruit syrup, and lemon juice. Grab all your ingredients and let's get to it. This cocktail requires crushed ice, so start by beating the cube out of it with a Lewis bag and mallet. You can also likely get away with using small cubes and letting them soften at room temperature for a few minutes first. A rapid blend would also work just fine, and you could skip the shaker altogether. Otherwise, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, jigger, and add 2 ounces of passionfruit syrup. I made this syrup using 1:1 passionfruit puree to sugar. Simply bring the puree to a boil and whisk in the sugar till dissolved. Then add 2 ounces of lemon juice to it. You'll definitely want to pre-juice a few lemons here, as this drink's addictive. Then add in 4 ounces of black rum, in my case Gosling's, or a half cup if you're blending, as 1 ounce equals 1/8 of a cup. Next, grab your pre-crushed ice and add a few scoops to your shaker tin. Just keep in mind you'll need at least a 14-ounce glass for all the volume. Shake vigorously for about 5 seconds and then open-gate pour into your glass. If the temperatures are high, feel free to freeze your glass beforehand or just add regular sized cubes and allow it to dilute a bit before serving. Garnish with an upturned umbrella skewered through a dried lemon or orange wheel, and enjoy. Cheers.